Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to something that is changing the game for Deriv traders. If you've been struggling with emotional trading or staring at screens for hours, this is for you. This is PivotCore Net, the ultimate auto trading platform designed specifically for Deriv users. No more manual stress. It's time to let the technology work for you. In today's session, I'm testing a very specific and powerful strategy, the 4 over and 5 under setup. The beauty of PivotCore Net is how it handles these digit-based strategies with precision. I've set a clear goal for this session. I'm going to place 10 trades, and my target is to hit at least 5 solid wins. Why 5? Because with the right risk management and the payouts on Deriv, winning 5 out of 10 is enough to keep your account growing steadily without over-leveraging. As you can see on the screen, the interface is clean and user-friendly. PivotCore Net isn't just a simple bot, it's a smart system. It analyzes tick patterns in real time. For the 5 under strategy, it looks for those specific low-digit trends, and for 4 over, it catches the momentum of the higher digits. The best part? It's completely automated. Once you set your parameters, your stake, your target profit, and your stop loss, you just hit start and watch it execute. Look at the execution here. The speed at which PivotCore Net enters the market is something you simply can't match manually. We're halfway through our 10 trades now. By removing human emotion like fear and greed, the platform stays disciplined to the 4 over 5 under rules. Whether the market is volatile or stable, the bot stays the course. We're hitting our targets exactly as planned. And there we have it. 10 trades done, and we've secured our 5 wins as planned. This is the power of consistent, automated trading with PivotCore Net. If you're a Deriv trader looking to level up your results and save time, you need to check this out. Don't just trade harder, trade smarter. Click the link in the description to get started with PivotCore Net today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more strategy breakdowns. Happy trading!